Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to disassemble a PlayStation 5 controller. First, we're going to want to start with this black plastic cover right here at the bottom. You're going to want to use either your fingernail or a plastic pry tool to pry away the bottom of the cover here and work your way towards the center of the cover here. Once you've done that, you'll be able to pull it away, rotate it like so. Now you've exposed these two screws at the bottom. There's two more on top that we have to expose by doing the second step, which is to remove these two buttons using a plastic pry tool. Insert the pry tool in between the button and the trigger and pry away from the controller. And now we've exposed these four screws here, and so our third step is to undo these screws. All the screws are the same, so don't worry about mixing the screws. Fourth, you're going to want to start with these clips that hold the top and the bottom half together. You can use your plastic pry tool to pry away this and this clip here. And while you start on the other side, you're going to want to hold the first side open. Once you've pried those off, you'll be able to pull the back portion away from the front portion, like so, rotating outwards. Our fifth step is to grab some needle nose pliers or a hemostat and separate the battery from the motherboard at the point where they connect. Then our fifth step will be to use our screwdriver to undo this screw here, which holds the battery housing to the motherboard. And then you'll use either some needle nose pliers or a pair of tweezers to undo the ribbon clip that connects the microphone to the motherboard. And there goes our housing. And then we have 4 ribbon clips that hold the wires of the rest of the components to the motherboard. You're going to want to pull those out gently because they're very fragile. And the one here for the other microphone. Lastly, we're going to flip the motherboard like so. And now we have access to our joysticks, which you can take off the thumbstick covers here. And if you wanted to service your joysticks, you now have access to be able to do so.